Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just showing you guys today a quick little DIY I came up with. I went and got this roll of liner paper from the Dollar Tree, of course. I'm cutting it, trying to measure it out right now to fit on top of my little drawer cart that I keep some hair supplies and nail supplies in. I'm just going to put it on the top. I wanted to put it on the drawers too, but it was kind of a little harder to measure it that way. So yeah, I'm just sticking it on here now. What I like about the paper is it's removable and you can wipe it off like with a wet damp rag, so that was good too. And I got a lot for just $1. So here I'm cutting off like the little end corners where when I push it up underneath it didn't fit, so I just cut it to fit, and I'm all done, nice and flat. I think it looks cute, just gave it a little oomph to it. So now this is a table that I take with me when I go do nails, like somewhere else. If I go to someone else's house, I take this little dinner tray with me. So I decided to go ahead and put some on top of this as well. So I'm just trying to size it. I'm gonna cut it and I'm just gonna flatten it across the table and fold it underneath, and I'll be all done. So like I said, what's good about this paper is you can remove it, you can stretch it out and kind of get it, smoothed out the way you want it to be. But before I put this on there, I did wash the table off and I did dry it, but I think it was some spots that was wet, because you'll see I had some little bubbles that I could not get to go down. That's why I keep lifting it up and putting it back down, trying to get those bubbles out, but I just couldn't. It's going to be covered up with stuff. You can see here it's going to be covered up with stuff anyway, so I just left it. I couldn't smash them down. But yeah, so that's all it. I think it looked cute, turned out cute. So for $1, I did 2 items. So yeah.